If you ever opened Instagram, LinkedIn, or YouTube and thought, I have no idea what to post today, this video is for you. Ciao y'all, I'm Chiara, founder of the Museum Creative, where I help creative arts entrepreneurs simplify content marketing with AI-powered strategies that grow their brand without burning out or sounding generic. Here's the truth most creative entrepreneurs don't hear often enough. Your content problem isn't consistency, it's strategy. Most creatives don't struggle because they're bad at content. They struggle because they're creating without a clear direction, hoping the algorithm will figure it out for them. Today, I'm breaking down the first pillar of my SONYA framework, strategy, and how to create content that actually supports your creative business without burning out or posting randomly. Side note, if you're curious to learn more about the SONYA framework, what it is and how it works, check out this other video. I'll share the link in the description box so you can watch it. Let's start with what's really happening behind the scenes of content creation. Most creatives post based on inspiration, not intention. They chase trends instead of clarity, create content to stay visible, not to move their business forward. So the result is scattered messaging, inconsistent engagement, and a constant feeling of I'm doing a lot, but nothing's clicking. That's not a motivation issue. That's a strategy gap. When I say strategy, I'm not talking about rigid content calendars, posting every day, or forcing yourself into formats you hate. Content strategy simply means every piece of content you create has a reason to exist. A strategic piece of content is aligned with your business goals and impact, your audience's real needs and desires, how your people actually discover content online, aka their search intent. If one of these is missing, content becomes exhausting instead of effective. Before you write a post, film a video, or ask AI for help, ask yourself, what is this content supporting? Is it meant to build trust, grow visibility, nurture leads, sell an offer? Not every post needs to sell, but every post should support something meaningful. Who is this really for? Not everyone, not people in general. Be specific about your who and ask, what is my audience struggling with right now? What questions are they already asking in their head? If you're an interior designer specializing in small spaces, for example, your ideal clients, aka your who, might be small home owners needing help optimizing their home space with a customized design that fits their budget. See how specific it is? Strategic content meets people where they are to fulfill their biggest needs. Also ask yourself, how will this content be discovered? This is where SEO and search intent come in. People don't just scroll, they search on Google, on AI platforms, on YouTube, and inside other socials. Therefore, strategic content is designed to be SEO focused, meaning searchable on those platforms, clear and aligned with real keywords your audience uses. AI plays a key role in this strategy, but here's an important mindset shift you need to make. AI should support your thinking, not replace it. AI is incredible for brainstorming content ideas, researching keywords, outlining videos or posts, but AI can't define your goals, understand your lived experience, or decide what actually matters to your audience. That's your role. When strategy comes first, AI becomes a powerful assistant facilitating the content ideation process, not a random misuse tool. This is why strategy is the first letter in my SONYA framework. Without strategy, originality becomes random, nuance disappears, yearning never happens, authenticity feels forced. Strategy is the foundation that makes everything else work, so don't skip that. If content has been feeling heavy, frustrating, or inconsistent lately, chances are you don't need more ideas. You need a clearer strategy. And if you want help using AI in content creation without losing your voice or your sanity, I created a free guide for you, 5 AI-powered solutions for creatives who dread marketing. It's linked down below. In the next video of this series, we'll talk about originality and why standing out has nothing to do with being different. So don't forget to subscribe and join the Museum Creative community for more content-driven strategies like this. That's all for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao!